We've got a drainage problem, which means we might have a rot problem. We won't know until these guys figure it out. Mark, Charlie, what's going on?
Hey, Kevin.
Well, Kevin, as you can see, the street's higher than the house.
Never could.
Not the best way to build.
Okay.
On this side, it's about 4 inches below grade on the street. The other side's about 10 plus.
So anything that rains on that street running off and down into our house.
Comes right down. We're gonna probably take 5, 6 rows of clapboards off, investigate, do any repairs.
And there's no going into the basement or crawl space over here because we don't have one on this corner, do we?
Doesn't exist.
All right, so we just got to pull away and investigate?
Gonna pull some claps off. All right, Mark, this row right here, we're gonna start setting the nails through the clap so we can pull the rope behind it.
Sounds good.
And we're not actually saving any of these. These are not original claps, so we don't have to worry about saving them. And this will preserve the rest of the rows above. All right, we think this is loose enough to get this row out. And once you get that first one off, Mark, we can just go right behind these other ones.
Okay, gotcha.
Exploratory demo, right? This is what we got to do to find out what's going on behind all this stuff.
That's right, Kevin. That's right. All right, perfect.
Great. Yep. Now go below it.
Yep. Get right out to the corner, be done. Ready?
Yep. At least these are back prime, Charlie.
Yeah.
There's one.
All right, let's just get this last row.
Tar paper tells you something, right, Charlie?
Somebody was here not too long ago. So lift it up and see what we have here. Well, it's definitely old boards, that's for sure.
Look at the rot down here, Charlie.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Yep, all the way across. It's eating out right there.
There's some masonry here for sure that somebody poured.
Yeah.
So I say we pull off at least this one board and see what we find.
All right.
Get under it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, go down further, I'll hold it out.
Get under that, Kev.
Come right over it. There she is.
Oh, look at this. Yeah,
Charlie.
not even a sill.
No sill.
Studs are right to the concrete. The studs look original, but this concrete, I don't know, Mark, what do you think, 20 years old anyway?
Yeah, that's got to be 20 years anyway.
Yeah, so my bet is that there was a sill. It was completely rotted. Whoever did these repairs took out the rot, poured some concrete right under the existing studs.
And this is all rotted away right there, Charlie. So what's the fix for that?
Well, believe it or not, this fix shouldn't be that bad. We're going to take some pressure treated. We're going to probably go up at least two high, two 2x high, cut the rod out of the existing 2x4s in the wall. But we're only going to do sections at a time, so it's not like we have to carry this whole side of the house and put some real weight on it. And if we have to, we're going to pull some more boards up and sister beside the existing studs some new 2x pressure treated, and then you know, once that's all down, you know, patch it back in with boards.
Maybe solve this drainage problem once and for all?
Once and for all. Original plan had a stone wall in place of this fence. Would have been expensive, ran past the house about 12 feet. We have a better solution, it's going to be cheaper.
Okay, so let's see. What are we looking at here? Bottom of the house here and the road all the way up here.
Yeah, the architect drew this up not knowing what we had below grade. So this is the studded wall that we have, and we exposed the bottom of the studs and we saw all the rot.
Mm-hmm.
Right, and this is the boards that were on the outside of the house.
Okay.
So since this is the street grade, our new grade is going to be higher than the street, so it'll actually drain back towards that.
And then what are we going to do? Once we fix the rotted studs, what are you going to do to protect this wall?
We'll put some pressure treated plywood in against the new framing, waterproofing, a drainage mat, and then to match the existing house, which is a granite on the foundation, Mark has this.
Wait, what? This here? This is going to be the veneer?
This is going to be the veneer against the house.
This here, you're saying, is granite?
Well, this is why I love these water management problems, because we can use today's technology in the drainage mat and in the waterproofing membrane. But the twofold here is this granite. We get the aesthetic value out of it, but we also get the toughest protection we can have against the water.
Sheds the water, never rots, and it's going to look great.
Exactly.
And we're going to support it with a piece of stainless steel angle that will be bolted to the house, and the granite will sit right on top, never go anywhere.
And if this is our new grade, Charlie, what's all underneath here?
We're going to put all new stone, and down below grade, all the way from the other side of the house, we're going to have a drainage pipe, which will go to a 2,000-gallon tank we have.
Which will be in the front yard. I like it. All right, thank you, Mark. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.